Police officers initiated a traffic stop, during which the driver persistently argued, challenging the legality of the stop while showing clear signs of intoxication. The situation escalated as the driver ignored multiple commands to stop and step back, causing a disturbance that drew the attention of nearby residents. These bystanders joined in the disruptive behavior, prolonging the stop and increasing safety risks for the officers.
Actually, I'm pulling you over for 3 things. 1, you can't have headphones on while you're riding. Okay. 2, you went through that stop sign there. And 3, you don't have any lights on your bike.
I have reflectors, dude.
Yeah, but you gotta have lights.
I ain't got no lights on my bike, man.
Can you do me a favor? Can you back up, man? You can hang out, but I need you to back up for my safety.
I ain't need your straight up. I don't got shit. Man, here you go, bro.
Thank you.
It is what it is, man.
He stay here. He here now. It's all right. If it's going, he going from point A to point B. Shouldn't that be all right?
No, he's gotta have lights.
In the road?
Yep. In the road, and he went through the stop sign. He's got headphones on. So yeah. Anything else?
What is that? Is that a ticket or something?
Yeah, they are.
Okay, so just, I'm just saying, so you want to.
This has nothing to do with any of you. Y'all came out for nothing.
All right, but
No, we came out for nothing.
He's fine. He's fine.
Well, that's my brother.
And you guys are extending the duration of this stop because there's more of you than there are of us.
Okay, I get that. but
So I'll
I'm
wait
just
till you
saying,
guys back up for our safety.
So for his
Actually, you do, because this is our traffic stop. And if I tell you to back up for my safety and you don't back up, you're going to jail for obstruction. Back up.
Keep it up. Keep it up. You go to jail for obstruction.
There was no reason for you to come over here. Now back up.
Like I said, my auntie a
Hey, go back over there to your way, bro.
My auntie a judge. Arrest me for no reason, and I will sue the shit out y'all.
Okay, and that's fine.
He said, sue
I will sue the shit out y'all. Arrest me for no reason, I will sue the shit out y'all.
You're going to go for DOA.
Handle y'all business, dickhead.
You're going to go to jail.
Keep it up.
For what?
For what?
For what?
And obstruction.
For what? Like I said, I will sue the shit out y'all.
We have the right to come outside. We're citizens. We have
My
the
auntie is a
right to
judge, and I will sue the shit out y'all.
Y'all, what about
You want to ask? Go ask Patricia Moore.
If you keep moving
Ask
up, you're going to
Patricia
jail.
Moore.
You better back up.
Ask
Last
Patricia
warning.
Moore.
Last warning.
Ask
Back up.
Patricia
He's not
Moore.
nowhere near you.
Ask Patricia Moore. I will sue the shit out y'all.
Why are you taking it as aggressive stance?
I will sue the shit out
No,
y'all.
he's not.
Get your
No,
back
he's
up.
not. No, he's
Back
not.
up.
No, he's not.
needs to
No,
back
he's
up.
not. You need to worry about your stole.
What's your badge number?
You are here.
Badge number?
Y'all in his
What's your
face.
badge number?
Y'all in his face. Y'all in his face. You didn't do shit to y'all. Y'all want to be bitches and assholes. Y'all ain't worry about that.
Auntie a judge. Auntie a judge.
We're citizens. We're citizens. We have the right. We have the right to do. We have the right to know what's going on.
You're going to jail. Keep
What
it
he
up.
going to jail for? What did he do?
Obstruction.
What did he do? What did he do? What did he do? What did he do? He do come outside and see what's going on? Come outside and see what's going on? Come outside and see what's going on? No, that's illegal. He didn't do shit. You have no reason. You're ignoring your job to bother him when he didn't do shit nor touch nobody. You're approaching him. He didn't move not one step. Prosecutor was behind you. He didn't move. He came over here. He didn't step here since he came over here. We can say,
I can say what I want to.
I'm not going nowhere.
I can say what I want
I didn't do shit to you. I'm not going nowhere. I didn't break no law. I'm not going. I didn't break no law. I can yell out as loud as I motherfucking want to. I'm a citizen.
y'all business.
Hooker and him.
Take me. Ma, you see this shit? You see it? You see it?
Got it.
You see it? You see it? You see it?
Let me get my slide.
We ain't do shit. It's
Turn
America.
toward the car.
This is America. This ain't China.
Ain't no disrespect to you. But I ain't do shit.
This not America. I don't have no First Amendment rights.
Ain't no disrespect to you. You know, ain't no disrespect to you. It's right, you do your thing.
Sister, you want to unlock your car for me?
Hey, you can get my slide?
Get it.
I can get my slide though?
Yep, get your foot in.
Yes, sir. I respect you because you're a real officer. I like that.
I appreciate it. Let's get inside.
You fine.
Put your feet in,
No,
please.
you fine though.
Put your feet in.
Now I respect you.
Yeah, how sheriff's gonna do with their $50,000 a year? Damn, sheriff's better to do, but be unconstitutional. But be unconstitutional.
172 Alpha, over 15 times 2,
follow one
DO,
man on a
contact.
bike come down like he robbed somebody. I want to say this is America. This is America. This ain't China. This ain't China. I can't. Why I can't say what I want? This not America. I don't have no Fifth Amendment right. I just want to say. That's the exact stuff I want to say. Because I told them that they dead ass wrong. I told them they dead ass wrong. I told them they dead ass wrong.
Have a seat, please.
I told them they dead ass wrong.
Are you pregnant?
pregnant?
That's all. Yes, I am. Now I'm pregnant. Now I'm pregnant.
Turn around.
Now I'm pregnant.
You be like.
Now I'm no, leave me. Y'all ain't ask me shit. Y'all ain't ask me shit. Y'all being unconstitutional. Y'all ain't ask me. Y'all ain't asked me shit. Y'all ain't asked me shit. For what? For what you already put them on. You should have asked me before. Instead of being assholes, you should have asked me. You should have asked me. You should have asked me. No, take a picture. Take a picture of me in these damn handcuffs. Record me in these handcuffs. I can't help it.
Come out.
That hurt me.
Come
hurt
out.
me. Be aggressive. Please.
Nope. Hey.
Be
Hey.
aggressive. Sue you.
Put your feet in
You
there.
already got me pregnant in handcuffs.
I ain't trying to hear that for you. I'm waiting on the guy that took my ID, man. I ain't trying to hear you. You just jaw jacking for a nigga, man. Straight up, bro. Y'all lames, bro. Y'all lames. Straight up, boy. You boys lames, boy. You ain't got nothing better to do, bro. Nothing. How many, man? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, man. For one guy on a bicycle. Whites, man. That's hassling. What you call it? That's hassling. You know that's hassling. That's why your ass looking like that, man. You know that's hassling, man. But it is what it is. Y'all call it doing y'all job or daily duty, whatever you call it. Crazy, man. I got reflectors on my shit, man. Oh, but I gotta have actual lights. Nah, come on, man. Stop it, bro. Stop it, bro. Y'all just thought y'all would go get bigger attention than that, man.
I know that's.
You have 3 things wrong. All right, you're wearing headphones. You got no lights.
Yeah, you told me that already, sir.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain this to you. Okay, I'm only giving you 1 ticket. I'm giving you 1 ticket.
So you giving me a ticket?
Yes, because even the stop sign tickets are even more. Okay, so I'm giving you 1 ticket because I can give you a ticket for each light. I'm giving you 1 bike ride citation. It's $6,250. You got 30 days to either pay it, take it to court and try and fight it, whatever you want to do. But again, I'm not giving you a citation for having the headphones on, and I'm not giving you a citation for going through a stop sign. Listen to me, here's the deal. You're wearing all black, riding a black bike at night. You got no lights on it. You know as well as I do this jits around here stolen cars. You don't think jits around here stolen cars?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. Well, your ID's in here, and there's your citation.
Thank you for the ticket.
Do you have anything else?
Nope,
for me?
not at all.
You're all
You
set,
need to
man.
get out my face.
Free to leave.
Yeah, whatever.
Ride safe. I know. I don't think you do.
No. Anything is probably weed. Ain't no.
Sorry, I don't care about weed.
No, I'm just saying. Y'all don't gotta do this, bro. I put out my door next week.
Do you have anything tucked up in you, anything like that?
Right.
Listen. Hear me out. You're going on.
You can search me. Go ahead.
I don't want to search in you. Is what I'm
Man,
saying.
listen, I'm giving you opportunity, man.
No, thank you. Here, do me a
I
favor.
don't have nothing.
Hold your pants and take a seat. Because here's the deal, man. You're going on a misdemeanor. That's it. If you introduce anything, if you have a little bit of weed that they find that I don't, you got it tucked or something like that, they're going to charge you as a felony. Even if it's out here a misdemeanor, it's just misdemeanor weed. You can probably find out when you get there.
I'll tell you when you get there.
Yeah, go have a seat.
All right, look, hold on, wait. I'm gonna sit down.
Okay.
Can y'all do me a favor?
What?
I stay at
3580.
before we pull off, I'm riding with you, right?
Mm-hmm. You can do it. You need somebody down there?
We gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Before we pull off, can we go back to my house so I can ask one person one thing and see if they gonna just ask if they gonna buy me? I don't have no.
Do you know their phone number?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't. That you can ask.
You know, your girl's pregnant. She's going too.
No, I'm not son her.
I know, but you gotta hear me out, man. We're not gonna go. The way everybody was acting over there, we don't really want to go back over there, especially with you in the car.
No. All right.
That's not the best thing right now.
All right,
Yeah.
so boom.
Just go ahead and sit down. And we'll
Look,
she's gonna be out there too.
Can you go?
Yeah, I'll ride through there.
Look.
I'll ride through there. Just take a seat.
Can you go for me?
I'll ride through
This
there.
is just listening.
I'll ride through there.
I'm gonna comply to y'all.
Okay.
When you go there, can you just ask him and tell him about me?
I'll ride through
Who are you asking for?
Amir.
Amir? Okay. All right, man. Have a seat.
There you go. Thank you for calming down. All right. I got you. Hold on.
For fight club, it's crazy.
Alright. Take this hammer and put it up front.
Put your hands together. Yep. Palm together for me, please. Thanks.
Here, I'll get that up there for you. Alright, now take a seat in the back, please. Thank you, ma'am.